So from the question this time around, we have an hexagonal prism having a side of 30 mm. It has a height of 65 mm, which is based in the horizontal plane. Two of its rectangular faces are parallel. So when we say parallel to the vertical plane, it means it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So it is cut by a sectional plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane and bisect the vertices. We are expected to draw the plan view, the front view, and then the development of the surface, including the base of the prism. So don't forget this is a prism. There's a difference between a prism and then a pyramid. So first we draw the base. We draw the plan. We draw the plan of the pyramid. I mean the plan of the prism. So we are told that the base is 30 mm. So now that is 30, and then we'll now take our 30 degree, 60 degree set square, and then using the 60 degree part of it, we draw this. So the same thing, you turn it the other way around. This is also 60 degree, and then you draw this line as well, which is 60. Then after which you measure 30 on this side and then 30 on the other side as well. Okay, after measuring 30 here, 30 here, you now take this 60 degree part of your set square, bring it to this point, and then you draw. So the same thing, 60 degree part of your square, you bring it to this point as well, and then you draw. You don't measure 30 on this side, 30 on this side, and then you join. So the next thing is to project vertical lines. Project vertical lines upward towards the front elevation. Now you can get your reference for the front elevation. So this is your reference line for the front elevation. Now we are told that the height of the prism is 65 mm. So from here you can measure 65 mm on this side and then this side. You can then number this place 0, 1, 2, and then 0, 2, 1, then back to 0 again. So now 2 and 2 you project upward. You also project 1 and 1 upward as well towards the front elevation using thin continuous line. So now we've been told that this is inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane. So you take your set square and then you draw the section plane at 30 degrees. You know automatically this place is 30 degrees. So now you are expected to project lines, horizontal lines from these intersections here to the right. So now you place your ruler vertically this way and then take your set square, project this to the right. From this meeting point here as well, you project to the right. From this meeting point here, project to the right. So all those meeting points on the section plane project to the right. So the same thing with this place as well. The base or the reference of your front elevation also project to the right. So now you take your ruler this way horizontally, ensure this is straight, and then we draw a vertical line to initiate the development of the front elevation. So you can draw a vertical line, you can project a thin a vertical line using thin continuous line here. Your compass and then take this distance from 0 to 1. Of course, all the sides will be 30 mm. Now, starting from this reference, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. It has to be 6. Now, from each point here, you draw a vertical line. You draw a vertical line using thin continuous line. Thin continuous line. Thin continuous line. Thin continuous line. And then thin continuous line. So now you can project this horizontal line to ensure that all the lines intersect the vertical lines. So now try to number this place as well. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and then back to 0, then 2, then 1, and then 0. So now 0 and 0 here, 1 and 1 here, 2 and 2 here, and then 0 and 0 here. So this is 0 here, this is 0 here. The same thing, you have 2 here, 2 here intersecting with 2 here. So you also have 1 here intersecting with 1 here, and then we have back to 0. So all you need to do is you take your ruler. This time around it's not a French curve. You take your ruler and then connect those points together. So with this, we've been able to draw the front elevation, the plan, and then the development. So this is your development. So now indicate all given dimensions. So don't forget, the question says including the base of the prism. So it means you need to construct this plan at the base here. So this is the base of the prism. So this is the base of the prism. So as you can see, that's the base of the prism. So the dimensions are there. The front view, the plan, and then the development have been done successfully.